Hello friends, my name is Jatin Ghanshyam Kunde, a student of Tulsiram Patel College of Engineering and Technology, Department of Civil Engineering in third year. So today we will discuss unit number 1, shape factor. So we solve this question. Our question is calculate the shape factor of a rectangular section which is 136 mm and depth is 436 mm. So first we formula of the shape factor is Zp upon Zd. So first of all we calculate Zd, that is b into d, b d cube upon 12 upon d upon 2. So we will put the value in cal sheet. So we will get 136 into 136. This is 136 and the depth is 436. So 436 upon 12 upon 436 upon 2. So we will put values in cal sheet. We will get this value. This we will. So we will take value. We get this value, that is 136 into 436 into 2 upon 12 into 436. We will put this value in cal sheet. We will get Zd. That is our Zd is 4308842.667. So now we will calculate Zp. So formula for calculating Zp, that is a upon 2 y bar 1 plus y bar 2. So put y bar 2, that is 136 into 436, 146 upon 36, and y bar is 109 upon 2 plus 109 upon 2. So we will get Zp value is 6463264. So after calculating shape factor Zp upon Zd, Zp upon Zd is equals to 64632.64 upon 4608842.667. So our shape factor is 1.7. Thank you.